days when I was small, the manor grounds would welcome all. No gates to bar, no signs to warn. Through fields and trees we'd roam from dawn. The owners kind allowed us through, though rights of way were granted few. We played and wandered free, unbound, in Wargrave's old enchanted ground. In teenage years, truth came to light. The land was private out of right, but childhood knew no lock or chain, just endless summers without rain. There was a lad, let's call him Dave, both wild and bold, not well behaved. A Bowie knife, a Colt in hand, he ruled like a king across the land. Behind 10 sheets at his garden's end, he'd make me play at guess and bend. I'd duck or dodge while bullets sped through rusted tin past my poor head. Get lost with Dave, no food, no cheer. He'd eat you first, that much was clear. Yet off we went through fields of green to find what lay in places unseen. Blackberry brambles, thick and tight, concealed a shelter from wartime might. With torch in hand we ventured down through cobweb halls beneath the ground. He left me there, the darkness deep, while evil laughter did not sleep. The torch went out, the exit sealed, my trembling hands on cold walls feel. For help I pushed the tin, but Dave sat laughing, what a din. Above my head he blocked the light and left me trapped in fear and fright. At last his snigger met my ear, a sound I won't forget sincere. He found it grandest wicked game while I walked home in silent shame. Yet still I'd call for Dave once more to seek adventure like before. Some lessons learned are slow to stay at Wargrave Manor, yonks away.